ELECMAN UL-listed Zinc EMT set screw coupling. Fully compliant with UL 514 safety standards for dry indoor electrical wiring projects made in China-made premium die-cast zinc alloy. It resists rusting and guarantees long-term stability. The set is screw locking design lets installers fasten to EMT tubes, easily forming firm without complex tools. Vibration-approved joints available in complete sizes ranging from 1/2 inch to 4 inches. It ensures reliable grounding continuity. Taped joints achieve concrete at tight performance, ideal for commercial, residential, and industrially EMT piping layouts, with certified quality and easy field assembly.